The lion's fearless reputation is well-founded. Lions are Africa's largest native cat. A full-grown male can weigh up to 230 kilograms, or about 500 pounds. Females are smaller, but can still weigh up to 180 kilograms, or nearly 400 pounds. Lions successfully hunt animals as large as buffaloes and hippos. Lions are the only cats that live together in social groups. These groups, called prides, normally consist of related females and their cubs, along with a small number of resident males. Healthy adult lions have no natural predators. However, lions face a threat from a surprising source. What is it? Other lions. Lions are territorial. They will attack and kill other lions in an attempt to take over their hunting territory. Lion cubs face another danger. Groups of rival males will attempt to drive off the resident males and take over the pride. If the invading males are successful, they will try to kill the cubs that were fathered by other lions. The invading males can then father cubs of their own. On their own, the tiny cubs would be defenseless. But lions vigorously defend their cubs. Both males and females protect the pride from other lions. A mother lion will defend her cubs even though she may be injured or killed by a larger invading male. Several mothers may defend their cubs collectively, giving the cubs a better chance of survival. Horses were often used in ancient battles. A charging horse was a powerful weapon. The mere presence of cavalry or chariots on the battlefield was intimidating to opposing armies. However, horses needed training to be effective in battle. Horses are not naturally courageous. Without proper training, a horse could be a liability on the battlefield. Why? Because of their keen eyesight and hearing, horses easily become startled. Horses have nearly a 360-degree range of vision. Ancient battlefields were filled with sights that tended to terrify horses. For this reason, ancient warriors sometimes put blinders on horses. Horses have 16 muscles that control each of their ears. They can move their ears to hear sounds more clearly. A horse can hear the sound of danger before a human. The possibility of horses panicking in battle was a constant danger. Ancient armies would deliberately try to frighten their enemies' horses to induce chaos. How was a horse trained for battle? Their trainers exposed the horse to sights and sounds similar to those encountered on the battlefield. Gradually, the horse would overcome its fear. When trained properly, instead of fleeing at the sound of battle, a courageous warhorse would excitedly run towards it. Across southern Asia lives a small mammal that is surprisingly fearless: the Indian grey mongoose. This furry creature is relatively small, typically measuring less than a meter or 3 feet in length from head to tail. Despite its small size, the mongoose is in fact a bold predator. It feeds on various small creatures, but the most famous of its prey are venomous snakes, such as the king cobra. Several species of mongoose, including the Indian grey mongoose, are known for their ability to kill venomous snakes. What protects the mongoose as it fights a venomous snake? The Indian grey mongoose's thick fur is composed of stiff hairs that stand erect when the mongoose is excited or angry. This fur serves as a protective layer to prevent a snake from biting into its flesh. However, if it is bitten, the mongoose has an internal defense mechanism, a tolerance to snake venom. The mongoose is amazingly fast and agile. When the snake strikes, the mongoose swiftly moves out of the way and avoids the bite. The mongoose also possesses incredible stamina. It can keep fighting until the snake tires out. When the mongoose makes its final attack, it strikes the snake at just the right location to kill it. The mongoose is endowed with defenses and abilities that enable it to fearlessly fight and defeat the snake. Found only in North and South America, hummingbirds are among the smallest of all birds. Although the more than 300 species of hummingbirds vary in size, most species are between 6 and 12 centimeters, or 2.4 and 4.7 inches in length. To the human eye, the beating of a hummingbird's wings is just a blur. Because its wing beat is so rapid, this tiny bird generates a humming noise as it flies. The smaller the hummingbird, the faster its wing beat. Larger hummingbirds beat their wings around 10 to 20 times per second. Smaller hummingbirds may beat their wings 70 or 80 times per second in normal flight. Hummingbirds can fly forward and backward, sideways, straight up and down, and for brief periods, even upside down. They hover in place as they feed on flower nectar. But these beautiful little birds do not have charming temperaments. Hummingbirds aggressively defend desirable sources of nectar, attempting to drive off other hummingbirds that invade their feeding territory. Females defend their nests. Especially during mating season, males of most hummingbird species defend their breeding territory. Because of their agility in flight, hummingbirds can chase away much larger birds such as crows and hawks. They will even dive at humans. Despite their tiny size, hummingbirds are ready to defend themselves and the things that are essential for their survival. A herd of African elephants is an impressive sight. An elephant family group consists of related adult females and their young. The close-knit family group provides support to its members. Elephants have excellent memory, and this strengthens their social bonds. They recognize and remember one another, even after long periods of separation. When a young elephant is in distress, older elephants reassure and comfort the young one by coming near and touching it with their body or trunk. If an elephant is weak or injured, other elephants may attempt to help it to its feet and assist it to stand. From the older members of the family group, young elephants learn vital survival skills, including how to find food and water. To find water in times of drought, the herd may need to travel great distances. The older elephants lead the way, helping younger ones make the trip. How do the elephants know where to go? Older elephants remember for decades where water can be found, even locations hundreds of miles away. They teach these locations to the younger generation. The family group also provides protection from predators. An elephant may charge an attacker and use its tusks, trunk and feet as weapons. To protect the calves, adults encircle them, standing between them and the predators. If a member of the herd is seriously wounded, other elephants, including young ones, may courageously come to its defense.